Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome back to my beauty stash, or welcome to my bathroom. Today we're going to be doing my nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to take you through all of the things that I use on a nightly basis and just show you how I take care of my 39-year-old normal to oily skin when the nighttime rolls around. So I just got done doing a workout. I'm trying to get my workouts back in. It is so hard to juggle, guys, like basically 2 full-time jobs because this YouTube channel, I don't know why in my other video I said it was a part-time job. I guess because it's just part of my income, but it is most definitely more than a full-time job doing or having this YouTube channel. And then of course I am an educator, so that is technically my full-time job. That is the bulk of my income. But yeah, guys, my workouts have really been suffering ever since I started YouTube, to be honest. So it's time that I make my health, my fitness a priority again. And now that we're coming back to normal, right, so to speak, like a new kind of normal, it's time for me to fit this fitness routine somewhere in my schedule. And today I most definitely made time to do a 30-minute quick hit workout. And yeah, so if I'm a little out of breath, that is why. And if I look a little sweaty, well, that's why too. So the very first thing that I do at night is take off my makeup. And I was wearing falsies earlier, so I'm sure I have a little bit of glue right there on the lash line, but I like to use, and I've been using this for a while, this is the Fourth Ray Beauty BFD cleansing oil, and I am just about out. There is very little left, so I'm gonna see what I can get out of here, and then this is gonna go in my basket for my skincare, or not my skincare, but my beauty empties video that I'm hopefully gonna film, if not this week, next week, and have that up for you guys really soon. But with this cleansing oil, you wanna make sure that your hands are clean, but that they're dry, and your face needs to be dry as well. So I'm gonna get whatever little bit is left, and this should most definitely be enough, what I have on here. And I'm just gonna rub that in my palms and just start working this all over my face. You really want to make sure to get your eye area, your lashes, kind of wiggle them between your fingertips, but be gentle, guys. I know it might look like I'm rough on my face, but trust me, I'm not. It's just how it looks on camera. You can see like it's definitely taking everything off. Now you could also use a cleansing balm. I have the Good Molecules one. I really enjoy using that one. And I'll probably have to use that one the next few nights until my new Fourth Ray Beauty cleansing oil comes in, because I did place a ColourPop order on Friday. So hopefully that will come in soon. All right, so now what I do is I go into the shower and I wash my face, or rinse this off first, and then I wash my face. I do a double cleanse. That is super important, guys. If you're wearing sunscreen, if you're wearing a full face of makeup all day long, you want to do that double cleanse to get the makeup off, to get the sunscreen off, to really make sure your skin is ready to receive all of the amazing products that you're about to put on it. So the cleanser that I have been using for years, no joke, years, like 8 years straight, is the Philosophy Purity Cleanser. And I use this right after I do this number. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, take all this off, relax for a minute, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the rest of my nighttime skincare routine. All right, guys, so my skin is clean, my hair is clean. I want to quickly just shout out some products that Amika was kind enough to send me to help this blonde pixie cut over here. I'm trying to grow it out a little bit, but I received 3 products complimentary of Amika hair care, and these are from the Bust Your Brass collection. This is for blonde hair platinum beauties out there. I received the Cool Blonde Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner. I've already used these about 3-4 times. Love them. These are the purple products. So if you've ever had blonde hair, platinum hair, you know how important it is to use purple based shampoo, conditioner, mask, which we're gonna do a mask together really quick. I have really been enjoying this. It smells really great, and even after I shampoo, my hair feels really soft, and forget the conditioner, it feels even softer after I apply the conditioner. And today we are gonna do the mask. They have this Bust Your Brass Intense Repair Mask that we're gonna do together on camera. This is something that you apply to damp hair, to clean damp hair, and you wanna leave this on for about 3 to 5 minutes. Since I have short hair, I typically leave it on for about 3 minutes. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. Guys, this smells so good. This reminds me of a resort that I stayed at in Riviera Maya in Mexico. There was this fragrance in the resort, especially like in the lobby and the spa area. And I remember I bought an air freshener, and it was a small bottle. It didn't really last me long, but I always wanted to find that scent here in the States, and I could never replicate it. This smells exactly like that fragrance, and I wish I could tell you what the fragrance was, but it's really like floral, like a garden scent. Oh, this just takes me back to vacation, and I cannot wait to go this year. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of this. I'm just gonna get it like that much. That should be more than enough for my short hair. My bleached area is just right here, like on the top part, like the sides right here are not bleached. I'm actually gonna pick up a little bit more just to really work it in. Make sure to get the ends too, and especially the scalp. I do plan on bleaching my hair, like all of it, probably in June. If not for sure, I'm gonna get just a little bit more. And by a little bit, I mean like that much. If not in June, then for sure in July. So these products are definitely gonna come in handy. You can already see, like, it's kind of giving the hair a cool toned look. And for me, that I have blonde hair, I want more of a cool toned effect. I don't want that brassy yellowish color to my hair. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 3 minutes. While I'm doing that, guys, let me quickly tell you where you can find Amika products. They are available at Sephora and of course on the Love Amika website. I have used this brand in the past. I've gotten a few things in BoxyCharm, specifically a really good dry shampoo. So I've only tried like their styling products. I've never tried their hair cleansing products. So I was really happy that they gifted me, that Amika and their team gifted me with these products so I could try out here for you guys and see if it's something worth checking out. And I absolutely think it is, because I've really been enjoying them. When I take this mask off, my hair is gonna feel super duper soft, and especially for somebody like me that kind of has to color treat every so often because it is bleached, and you know, there's certain areas that just need to get re-bleached, grow out and all that stuff. You know, it's upkeep, guys. Once you start coloring your hair, you can never really stop. So these masks really come in handy and help to repair the damage that hair color unfortunately does to our hair. So I'm gonna leave this on for a couple more minutes. I'm gonna go wash it off, and then I'll come back on and I'll continue with the rest of this nighttime skincare video. All right, guys, so now that the mask is washed off, I can really see like a cool toned effect to it. I don't know about you guys. I don't know if the light kind of alters that, but when I look in the mirror right here, I can definitely see a little bit more coolness than what I had before. So that's always a good thing. Now I'm gonna go in with toner, and this is the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. I've used this one for years, like years, and maybe not always consistently, but I've definitely repurchased this a number of times. And I really like it. I don't feel like it's a harsh toner. I feel like it's a gentle but effective toner that is definitely gonna hydrate without overstripping, drying the skin. Just getting the skin ready for the rest of the skincare products. Now tonight I'm going to be going in with a retinol treatment. Normally I would be using the Drunk Elephant A-Passoni retinol cream, but sometimes I like to alternate and use a retinol alternative, that being the Dream Booster from Beekman 1802. This is kind of like a recent find. I would say I've probably had this in my stash for at least 2.5, if not 3 months. This is the Bakuchiol Beta-Retinol Serum. So this is a little bit more gentle than your typical retinol cream would be, especially a little bit more gentle than the Drunk Elephant. So if you've used this one in the past and you found it to maybe be a little too strong, to where maybe you had a reaction to it, maybe you had a breakout, a rash, or what have you, I would give this one a shot. It is super affordable. You can find it at Ulta, and I will definitely have it linked in the description box of this video, but it is more of a serum-like, whereas the A-Passoni from Drunk Elephant is more of a cream. So I'm going to squeeze out a few drops here on the palm of my hand. And I'm just going to rub my palms together and start applying all over my skin. I don't take it up like under the eye area. I have a separate retinol cream that I use for the under eye area. I definitely drag this down on my neck, around my mouth, fine lines right in here. This just feels so good. It's more definitely kind of like a facial oil type of feel. And I typically apply this as my first serum of the evening. And it feels really good. Feels really, really nice. And whatever I have left, I just rub it in on the back of my hand. Next, I'm going to be going in with a fairly new product to my stash. I picked this up during the Sephora VIB sale. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. This is going to help relieve any redness that you have to the skin. It's also going to help with texture and with fine lines. And it just overall makes your skin feel really, really soft. Now for moisturizer, I just purchased 3 moisturizers from e.l.f. and 2 of them were repurchases and one of them is a new one, which let me just get it to show you. I'm not going to apply the new one because it has SPF in it, but it is a new moisturizer to their line. So this is a new one right here from e.l.f. and this is the new Holy Hydration Face Cream with SPF 30. I've already used this a couple times last week and did I use it this morning? No, I didn't use it this morning. I used it yesterday morning and it's really good. I really like it. Super hydrating. It does kind of leave a white cast, so I would just let it sit for a few minutes before you go in with your makeup, but I haven't noticed like any flashback in photos or anything when I apply this, but really nice, super affordable. This one I think is only available right now on the e.l.f. website. That is where I ordered it from, but the one I'm going to be using this evening is a repurchase and I ordered it along with that one that I just showed you. This is the Happy Hydration Face Cream. This is from their Cannabis Sativa collection. I've already reviewed this collection and I really enjoyed the moisturizer, but I had the smaller size, so I went ahead and after I finished that up, I decided to purchase the regular size, which was only $12 or $15, 12 or 15 if you can believe it. But it's a really, really nice, gentle, but effective moisturizer that you can easily wear both day and night. And it has worked so well with the rest of my skincare products. So I've really, really been enjoying that one from e.l.f. Actually, the 3 that I have now from e.l.f., really, really love them. e.l.f. is really doing something right at a great, great price for us. Now for eye cream, I'm going to go in with this one from Josie Maran, and this is the Argan Pro-Retinol Eye Concentrate. So every time that I do retinol on my facial area, I tend to do it under the eye area as well. And I'm going to take about that amount, and I'm just going to dab it with my ring finger, kind of just press it in under my eye, and I really take it up out here as well. And I'm not shy with it, so I'm really generous with my eye cream. So I'm going to pick up just a little bit more. I've really been enjoying this. Josie Maran makes some of my most favorite skincare and body care products. And I was actually gifted this by the Josie Maran team. I was really, really excited to try this out, and I've been loving it. I've had it in my stash for about a month and a half or 2 months now. And I don't use it every night. I only use it on the nights that I do retinol, which I use retinol anywhere from 2 to 3 times per week. So that's typically how often I will use this eye cream. But it feels really nice under the eye area. I have no irritation from it. Of course, I don't get it inside my eye. I'm really careful not to. But I do make sure, again, to take it out here and even go down here as well, along the cheekbone. Next, I'm going to go in with this Glow Recipe Lip Pop. This is something I use both day and night, and there you can see I am almost done with it, but don't worry, I have another one on backup. This not only hydrates, it helps to exfoliate the lips. It just feels so good. I've gone through so many of these. I love them. Whenever Glow Recipe has a sale or Sephora has a sale, sometimes they sell them like in a 2-pack, and I'm always sure to pick it up because I absolutely love it. Now, an optional step, which I don't do this every single night, and I don't think I'm gonna do it tonight just because I have the retinol and stuff on, but if it's early in the evening, like it is today, and I'm not going to bed until maybe a few hours later, before I go to bed, I will go in with a facial oil just to help bring back that skincare, to bring back the moisture, and just to help lock it in all night. The one I've really been enjoying is this one from Biossance. This is the Squalane and Vitamin C Rose Oil. So I'm not going to use it tonight just because I do have the retinol on. But for example, tomorrow when I don't use my retinol, I will most likely go in with this after a while, at least an hour after I have applied all of my skincare. If I'm going to go to bed immediately after applying my skincare, then no, I skip out on this. But if it's a couple hours in between my skincare routine and my bedtime, then I will most definitely use a facial oil just to bring everything back together. All right, guys, so that is my typical nighttime skincare routine. Even showed you how I wash my hair and how I take care of this blonde hair. I can't wait to go platinum in a few weeks. But yeah, guys, this is traditionally what I do on a typical evening as I get ready for bed. These are some of my most favorite products. They have been tried and true, cause no irritation. I find them to be effective, and I am 39 years old with normal to oily skin, and I find that these products work really, really well for me. I will have them all linked in the description box down below in case you're interested in picking any of them up. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up purchasing, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let me know your thoughts, guys. What are some of your favorite nighttime skincare products that you think I need to try or add to my routine? Definitely sound off below. And I want to say a special thank you all so much for helping me get to 6K this morning, because it is Monday evening when I'm filming this video. But this morning I woke up to 6K on my YouTube channel, and I was just speechless. Guys, it's been a whirlwind ride, and we are just getting started. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, put on your moisturizer, and have a very good, restful night's sleep. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.